What's going on, guys? We got a day off today, so we got a little project to do at home. We tore out a bunch of gravel, or stone I should say, for a lady a while back. So we're gonna put it to use today behind the barn. We got this little area back here. Right now Jared's getting it weed whacked down to dirt about, and he's actually doing a fine job. But we're gonna put down this stone that we tore out the other day just behind the barn to kind of give us a parking space and hopefully just look a little bit better. So yeah, that's what we got going today. We're not building fences, we're a little DIY project. We'll see how it goes. All right, the space is clear. We got all these bricks stacked up. I need to probably just get rid of these. The ditch witch barely picked it up, but it did it. That's got to be well over 1,000 pounds, I'm guessing. Now we got to start moving some of the dirt, some of the stone, and we will be looking pretty. All right. Tag team in the pile. Here's our pile. We tore this out from a landscape job a while back. Figured might as well keep it here in case we need it. It's probably not the ideal stone for, it's a little fancier than what you'd use for like a parking area, but it should work just fine. So expensive stone if you got to buy it. We got a plethora. What do you think, Jared?
It's looking pretty good. I don't know if my eyes are deceiving me, but do you think we can put it? No, it's beautiful.
Yeah, definitely comes down there.
I understand we probably want like a decent grade here, but I would probably use another bucket there, try to level out coming out the door than just dropping off to the side.
Finished product. Pretty straight lines. Got the trailer. I'm gonna move the mini skid, but really cleaned up this back area into just a nice, clean space for parking a trailer or two. Maybe keeping a couple things back here. My mother-in-law wants to put a camper back here, so see how nice I'm feeling. But yeah, definitely some fancy gravel, or some fancy stone, but it looks pretty cool. Hopefully not too many weeds come through, but I'll just spray if I need to back here. I'm not up near the house or anything, so not too worried about that. Yeah, we're dancing. But I think it turned out pretty good. What do you say, Jared?